All we need to do is open up your tags, your paws. Now go to your Telegram. Once you go to your Telegram, okay, so what I need to do is, let's see, search for your paws. Then you log into your paws, click on open. Now let's wait for it. Let's complete the new task. Find me pause new task. Now get started. So let's wait for it. Okay, so you go to your end and you can see start your end game. Let's go to partner, no guest here on your limited. Check post Telegram. You can start. You can see there's nothing there. So click on claim. That's very easy. You can see it's very easy. Let's get another one. When it's wallet, we're done. Boost pulse start channel. Let's get there. You can see level. You can see this is what you need to do. Very simple. So I'm going to go back. If you can do it, just do it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.